Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. Alright, so as you remember guys, I have a new vlog unboxing my new coffee maker set. And of course, if we have a coffee maker, we also have some new pods.
Wow!
Okay, coffee pods guys, or chocolate pods. So let's see that in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
So I ordered this at Lazada. Actually, it's my mom who ordered this first. So let's open it. And here it is. We have a box. Let's see what's inside. Okay guys, so we have first, we have a box here of Maltesers. And we have 2 boxes. So one box is 8 capsules. So we have 16 already guys. 16 of Maltesers. We also have some tweaks. We have 8 capsules, 8 drinks. It's also compatible with the Nescafe Dolce Gusto adapter. And lastly, okay, there's no more inside. Dolce Gusto, Nescafe Dolce Gusto KitKat. Alright, KitKat guys. And here inside, it's already 16 pieces. We will try the KitKat one now guys. Let's go. Alright, I'm back guys, and here we are. We have our coffee machines here. Now all we need to do is check the adapter. Okay, if it's for the Dolce Gusto. Okay, so let's see. Now all we need to do is open the coffee maker. I turn it on here, and all we need to do is put the capsule. We have our cup here. So the KitKat is like this. We all just need to take this up, put it here inside, put it back like this, and again we put in level 4. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, so now all we need to do is put it back here like this. Okay, now we put our cup here like this. Okay, and for the level, so here is the level of the water, here is the temperature. So the temperature here guys is 92 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is the level 4 for the temperature. Okay, so for the temperature guys, all we need to do is press 3 seconds here, okay, until it will blink. Okay, as you may see here, so all we need to do is set the temperature. See guys, 93, 94, 95, and the minimum is 80. So since the kids are not really drinking really hot, Now it stopped. It's now in 80 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to make the hot chocolate. So here, once it's clear blue, we can click it. But now it's okay now. So let's press. And okay, so again, this drink of KitKat is 130 ml. Okay, so 130 ml is like this, guys. Now it stops. So we need to wait. We can wait for the dripping to stop, or we can take off already the mug. And don't worry, because all the dripping excess will be here, and we can wash it later. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see. Let's try our KitKat drink. Okay, so let's try our KitKat. It's hot, guys. Okay, it's still hot. So 80 degrees is fine for the temperature for the kids. But I think let's try it first. But if since it's hot, we can add some water. But we need to try it first for the flavor. Okay, so I need to blow. Okay, the flavor is there, but it's too chocolatey. Okay, we can taste the cocoa, and I think we need to add some sugar, guys. We add some water, guys. I didn't figure yet the cold version or the cold mode is working. I guess I need to try. So yeah, overall, this is our KitKat drink, and it's better. And all we need is just put a little bit of sugar. And that's it. So yeah, again, if you like this video, guys, and you're interested to buy some capsule of this, or the Tweaks one, or the Maltesers one, there's a lot of other capsules, just DM me on my Facebook page, Leah B, or my Instagram account, MA.L, so I can send you the link of the store where I bought it. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.
Pagod na tayo'y mapangiti. Mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Leah B.